Hey, there it is. We are live. After a little while, we're back. Let's see. Oh, Blixme's in the chat. So yeah, it's been a while. I've been cooking off stream. Oh, sorry. So yeah, there's been a lot that's been done, and still a lot to do. But yeah, guess we can kind of dive into it. A few things I want to kind of get done. Some UI stuff, some particle effect stuff, and maybe keep working on the world, but we shall see. First up, I want to do a little UI pop-up that pops up when your mon is evolving. And I think we can go off of the caught mon. Hey, 8-bit, hello. Horn Pup, hello. Not late, hello. Welcome. Yeah, it's been pretty good. Lots of stuff done. My Trello board is just absolutely stacked with stuff that I've done in the past 2-3 weeks, maybe more. But yeah, we've done a lot. It's time for a neat question. Okay, I'm ready. Yeah, we'll use the base code for this Kotmon UI. I'm just gonna duplicate that. On screen. So this. What is my opinion on RPG Maker? That is the very first engine that I used to make a game. I don't know if I could consider it a game, and it's somewhere out on the internet, which hopefully no one uncovers except for Andrew. Oh shit, he's right there. Damn it. Oh shit, no. What the hell? What's the timing on that? Jesus. Was just ready. Holy cow. His ears were twitching when he heard that. My god. That was a really good timing. God. I really did. Here, maybe I'll go over like what's been done to the game in the past. I should check when I last streamed. I did scroll up to it. July 18th. It's been over a month. Wow, okay. I didn't think it was that long, but it was that long. Okay. My apologies. About the greatest RPG maker. Yeah, okay. It's quite the game. We reference certain lines that I wrote every once in a while. Anytime that there's a well in a video game, also another key part of it is that it crashes about every 2 steps that you make in the game. But yeah, okay, so here, let's see. I'll go back in the Trello board. So I wanted to... Here, let's get the player over here. Over here. So I wanted to, we all got, Pokemon's got a breeding system with the farm and stuff like that. But I like the way Our World did it, where, you just get 2 random mons and they make something completely different. I like that kind of way about it. So what I did, because we have 83 Damnedmon, I thought, we got to make a bunch of different combinations. And I believe the number was 3.5 thousand different combinations. So I did that in a Google spreadsheet. The Google spreadsheet is 7.2 thousand lines long. And this is basically what I spent weeks, well, maybe a week or two on. So, you know, you get fluff bit with a fluff bit, you get a droplin. Fluff bit with a sling hop, you get a fluff bit. And then all this, and just with every single Damnedmon possible. Now do that 82 more times. And I think I'm like, okay, what would be a cool combination? That makes sense. What about legendaries? So it's a long document. I spent a long time on that, and then I was like, ah, crap. I gotta code that into the game. And then I spent probably another week on that. In here. NPC AI. So yeah, all this big long line. So basically checks whatever your first Damnedmon is, then it does a check. So there's 83 of these, all just a huge line. So if it's 1 and 1, then it's 7. If it's 1 and 2, then it's 1. Just like, it's just a lot. So I spent a lot of time on that, and I was like, but Power World has this cool thing where, depending on like the type of the Power World that's in the egg texture or material changes. So I did that as well. So if we go, I think it is. Let me see. I gotta pull this up in the spreadsheet here. If we go, just for example, let's talk to Gwendolyn here. We look at here. Yes. Oh, bless you. And we want Ego and Glide Girl. They're both flying, and they're gonna make a flying lizard. So right now I have it to only 10 seconds and it'll spawn an egg. So that blue is like the flying type egg. So it depends on what their first typing is. Whatever's in their type 1 slot will be the color of the egg. So we got that set, and then when we talk to her and she goes, looks like your Damnedmon's made an egg. Would you like to take the egg and your Damnedmon's back? You say yes. Have a great day. And if we go into the storage, we have Ego, Glide Girl back, and then we also got Firefly at level 5. So that was a long period of time where I was doing that. And let's see here. Oh, and then I spent, again, way too long on the storage system of when you click on something, it highlights it, so you can tell like what you're clicked on, and you can move it around in the storage system. Wherever you can swap around, you can put them in, you know, your slots. You can take them out, except you can't take out, you can't leave yourself with no Damnedmon, so that can't happen. But and then I was like, okay, there's only 4 pages. I believe there's 30 slots on each page, so 120 slots. There's 83 Damnedmon. You know, there's a chance you're gonna want to release some. So I was like, okay, a release button could be cool. So this here at the bottom, this little grass thing, release Damnedmon. So if we want to release Fonby, make sure you want to release your Fonby. Yes, and disappears. So did that. Hell's Ego. That's our Eagle guy. Real ones use Ego. True. Okay, so that's what we covered. Some bug fixes here and there. Andrew did a play test of the game. Might have found like maybe one, maybe two things to just work on. Maybe just like one or two. I think was like the count that we I think came across. Maybe like 100 or 200, but so that happened. Did some bug fixing from that. We have an EXP share system now. We had it before where only if you swapped in your party members they would get XP and it'd be split. Now we have the EXP share. Where is it? Here. On by default, but there is a new options menu where you can turn off shared XP, and then it goes back to just whoever you've swapped in gets the XP. So just give the player some options, more than Pokemon did. But let's see. Some more bug fixes. I increased the starting health of all the Damnedmon by 5 because I thought maybe a bit tankier. And then another thing that Pal World influenced me with were you got your stats, so like what's gonna get people to use the breeding system, or like kind of continue playing after a certain point. So I thought, put this here, we'll go into storage, and I thought adding passive skills, 2 passive skills, or a chance of 2 passive skills on the Damnedmons that spawn when they're created in the open worlds, or the starters get randomly spawned, or also if you breed then it gets randomly spawned. So I have a bunch of different options, ranging from increase attack damage to like all the types, like normal, fluffy, sharp, all that stuff, and then also just base 10% increase to all attacks, decrease to all attacks, increase to defense, decrease to defense, and then speed, and then a chance of just nothing. So and then when breeding it does have a chance to keep both the male and females stats. There's a chance on those, so yeah, that's that. Daydream is a good one. Daydream is really, that's especially right at the start. Stay up late, catch Daydream. Lauren Pup, you having a crisis? What's going on? What's going on? I hope you're all right. Wasn't stressed during the test? No, it was good. It was good. Definitely didn't get out of bounds multiple times. So yeah, we added passive skills and the tooltip and everything. Let's see. Coded the passive skills. I had to add the passive skills into the Damnedmon stat structure. So anytime, it's basically just like a variable that has a bunch of other variables inside it. But anytime you add one, you have to go to whenever it was used in the code and edit it. And it's been used a lot. So that was quite the task. But it just seemed to be okay. New faith in the internet. I shall. Let's see. More bug fixes. I did a sort of UI kind of overhaul, kind of for it to be more kind of like understanding of what's going on in the battle. So let's say we Cicadrix here. So it pops up, an untamed Cicadrix has appeared. What's your move? And then it'll wait for you to do something. And then it updates based on like when you enter battle, when you use a move. So if we use Headbutt, it says your Glide Girl used Headbutt. And then when they use a move, Cicadrix used Headbutt. what's your move, so it comes back to you, so you kind of know like when it's your move, kind of thing. And then also added in when you defeat a Damnedmon, when you swap in a Damnedmon. So if we go to party, swap in Fombi, it says go Fombi, and then it's the enemy's turn. So use Bug Bite, and now it's back to us. When your party gets wiped out, it says that you've wiped out. When one of your Damnedmon faints, it says that. When you unsuccessfully catch a Damnedmon, it says like, ah, nice try. When you use a potion, when you use a revive, and when you use a scroll, it'll say what you've used. I believe scroll. I should double check. This scroll should catch them. Yeah. And then you caught Cicatrix. There we go. So that's kind of what's kind of been going on. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh. Crisis diverted? Back to regular nonsense. Okay, back to Shitty Bug, I see. Okay. So yeah, that's kind of the cliff notes of what's happened over the past month or so. Yeah, now I want to move on to showing whenever Mon is evolving. This one might be a little tricky because the values change quite a bit, but I think it's down here. Yeah, it should be. Just double check in. When does it evolve? Because what we want to do is want to get what party member it is, so oops. So if we do something like party member evolving, and we can set that to this one here. Fix the invincibility bug. Wait, which one was the invincibility? Oh yeah, when you went down and you could still. Yeah, I do believe I did fix that. Yeah. Okay, so we got party member evolving. Want to basically copy the Kotmon. Find references. I've seen Bearded Dragon's Wave. I can't recall if I've ever seen that. It's not working. Items. Surely it's here somewhere. It's not. Okay. That doesn't make any sense. Hey, sounds good, Lauren. Hopefully no crises or anything like that occur. Okay. Let's try that again. Caught on screen. There we go. I just had to compile. Where's the set? Oh, here. Okay. It's on screen. Right. To report. And need to do a basically the exact same thing as this. I think just do remove, it should work. Screen. Just like that, except it's this one. Okay. I think we can go back down to party revolving. We should be able to make it pretty easily. Maybe. I say before instantly regretting this, but so we should be able to do moving ice pages. That's on 0. So then what we can do is go in here. Oh, it might not like that until we compile. Frogman is a good one. Would be my fave. It's been a while since we played here. Hold on. I do like Bella Noir. I was a big fan of Bushi too. Incinerama was pretty good. Petalia is definitely. I always have Petalia on my team. Gotta have the healer. I think I think maybe Petalia might be my go-to. Still haven't seen a Xenogard though. I haven't seen a Saline out in the wild. But okay. So if we go like this, oops. Switch on int. And get all the UI stages. So then depending on if it's 0 or 1, it'll say different things. Get evolving. Ooh, okay, I did not think this through. Okay, let's try this. Get party member 1. This will promote. This will be evolving text. So if it's 1, then we need to also do a switch on int. Over, start this at 1, no default. Like that. Spread that out. Definitely spread that out. Okay, so get Damnedmon name. So we want to go X is evolving. Oh, set. Go. Sounds basically all the same, just with different party member numbers. So we'll go like this. Get party number 2. Hey, last Cyclone. Hello, hello, welcome. It's been a while. It's been a while. Number 2. It's evolving. Up to there. And it's party number 3. Go. And number 4. Okay. Now we just need to set somebody up. To evolve and see if it actually works. Yeah, we'll see. Hey, Joel, hello, hello. Okay. So, I need to find out who evolves fairly early. Cicadrix at 24. So if we go up to the storage system, and that one's full. Cicadrix is 10. Would be level 23. It's 9 out of 80 XP. Is bug. Let me see what is some. I guess I could have just given him whatever stats. It doesn't really matter here. 50, 50, 50, 100, 100, 23, 1 off. We'll save that, compile, and we'll give it a try. Compiling is starting to take a decent amount of time now. Got a lot of stuff crammed in here, so I think it's around 26 seconds. But still doesn't beat Damnedmon Online's compiling time. 30 seconds now, okay. Okay. So, storage. Oh, I did not. Here's number 4th slots. He's number 10. Whoops. One more compile and then we should be good. Test that out. How's everyone's Thursday going? It's almost Friday. Thank goodness. Weekend's almost here. The ice storm. What? Ice storm? Where? What's going on? That doesn't seem very chill. Well. Okay, so we go Kadrix. We'll go after Fawnbee. Go Headbutt. Okay. Feed Fawnbee. Definitely forgot to call it there. Okay, let's try that again. Surely one more compile, we should be good. Hale took your power out. Really do schoolwork. Just chilling in the stream. Hey, glad to have you. Data, your cat. Ooh. Yeah, it's definitely Iggy. Goob is vocal when she wants to be. But definitely Iggy's a little menace. Here we go. Okay, this time it should work. We should see the UI pop up here. Fawnbee. Okay. Yeah, no. It set it for a second, and then immediately disappeared. So it goes through here. Spawns it. So when does it evolve it? Or at least the number. Okay, so if we're looking at number 10. This one. Spawn for evolution. Right. So it spawns it, delays for 0.2 seconds, and then changes over. Oh. Okay, so what if we do... If we go... 3 evolve Damnedmon. So we'll get the number that it is. We'll do something like this. So we'll save that number. And then when it goes to change it, we won't be referencing that. We're referencing this. So it goes like that. But then we want to take this out. Move this up here. Oh, this is going to be okay. Just copy that down there. Hey, welcome back, Lauren. Okay. Do a little compile. This should work now. It should hold on to the number, and that number then has the name of its not what it evolves into. Like, it won't change that 0.2 seconds. It should hold on to it what it actually is. And then when it changes over to, like, whenever it's actually spawns the what it evolved into, like the model, then we should be able to update then what it is. Let's go like this, this. Do a little compile. They can hear them over the hill. Yeah, that both are kind of concerning, actually. Both are very concerning. Okay. That should be good. Now if we're going to here. And I think we can just change this. And I think we can actually get rid of a bunch of this. I won't delete it, because that would be my luck where we actually do need it, but we just kind of move this down. No, not a crash, please, no. Just a little delete. Definitely not a crash. Definitely wasn't a crash, for sure not. Deleting 2 things. Come on, guys. Come on. Please. Size of golf balls. Wow, I'm sure that did like crazy damage. Okay. So if we do that, this should work. Ajax ready to fight. Do a headbutt. Took him out. Defeat a Fombi. Cicatrix is evolving. Perfect. Okay. And then right then when this guy appears, poof. That's when we change it over. Okay. That should be not terrible to do. Should be over here. So destroy it. Destroy the smoke. Spawn. We go like... no, let's go like... Is it a pre-evolve? Let's go evolve Damnedmon. And it should look very similar to what we did before. So we're just copying this, taking that. Go. And then we just want to set the stage to 1. There we go. And then after the 3 seconds, when we destroy the actor, oh gosh, okay, it wants to compile. Then we want to remove the UI. And then it should look fairly smooth. It's just kind of like a first pass kind of thing. Obviously, like the UI won't like look like this in like the final game kind of thing, but just to get like a baseline and stuff working, should Crisis again, my goodness. Glad to hear you're fine though. So if we do this and move this over, I think we called it remove evolved on screen. Okay. Go. Last one. And another compile, and then it should hopefully fluidly work. Going to the beach on Saturday and Monday. Nice. Hopefully some good weather. We're still managing to pull some good weather these days, so. And a nice storm last night. Okay, let's try that. So put there. Do a couple headbutts. here we go. Okay. Beautifombi. Skadrix is evolving. Okay, I definitely forgot to code the second part there. Okay. Let us try that again. Not just a blank page. So, instead of pre-evolved, you want get evolved Damnedmon. Look that up. Now, what we could have it say is Cicadrex has evolved into, and then Terminant. We could do that. So we could do as Flood Advisory. My goodness. Hey man, stay safe. As evolved into. Okay. Do that. That. So, if we try it one more time, no, I did the bug. Don't know why it does this. There we go. That is one I gotta figure out at some point. Okay, here we go. Okay. Cicadrix is evolving. It's evolved into Terminance. There we go. It is working. And we should see here, yeah, Terminance, level 25. Wonderful. So that is working. Done this before, oh man. You're a pro at this, I guess. Okay. I think I'm just gonna run to the washroom, but Jaden is gonna pop by and chat with y'all for a little bit.
And tell them to come to the dark side and sway them for evil.
Uh-oh.
Oh yeah, that's exactly, that's a point. It's evil. Oh yeah, it's your boy. How's everybody doing? It's been so long since well, should I mess with his audio? Probably not. I just want to bring it closer. I think I have a compulsion. Every time there's a microphone, I'm like, I have to touch it and mess around with it to make it worse for everybody involved. If Jaden's at a desk and she doesn't mess with the microphone, did it make a sound? Probably, and it's probably really loud and screaming in your ears, and you're crying. But it's friendship time. Oh my god. I'm playing, don't tell anybody. This is a secret between me and the world. But I've been playing Queen Medieval. I was farting around on shorts today, and then I'm done. I'm like, you know what? That's me clocking out. I'm gonna play games now. No, that's not. No, Joel. That's my government name. That's me on the weekdays. This is me with my hair down. That's stuffy old man Jaden. This is cool hip sunglasses Jaden. Very different, you know. Oh my computer, Lauren, please tell me your woes, sweet Lauren. What is happening? Computer crisis. Because to me, when I think crisis, I think of like, it's like, I don't even know, like hitting your knees on the floor going, ah, but maybe not. It's a good, what's computer crisis? Okay, it's better. Yes, Lauren, I'm getting an emotional roller coaster here, but I'll hold my breath for you guys. but you just gotta tell me when to let it go. There's something I was gonna tell you guys, and I can't remember what it was. It's gone. It'll come back, I'm sure. Yeah. Bentley's in the background making gross noises, so please don't mind that. Stinky little dog. Oh my god. So the way nobody asked, but I'm gonna tell you a story. The way our house is set up. First of all, actually, no, I have so many stories now. Okay. No, my first thought. The way it's set up is we have a door. Groundbreaking, I know. One might say wall breaking. And it is, I don't know what it is about this house, but once you open the door, maybe it's because we don't have a back door. We just have like windows. But it creates this suction of, I don't know, something's really big, like a vacuum, but on juiced up, 2 batteries on a vacuum. And when it opens, it all the air. And so it's summertime, and I always leave the light on because I'm like, oh, scared of the dark, spooky monsters live out there. So I leave the light, and every time we open the door, all the bugs say, "Oh my, party time for us, woohoo!" And because they're dancing at the light, we open the door, and so all the bugs get sucked in. So man, there are so many freaking little fly flittering guys around the house. For no other reason than you have to open the door eventually. We have to go let goob out, or we have to do this or the others. And every time you open the door, like 3 little flies are like, don't mind if I do. They rub their little fly hands together and go, and then come, and it's driving me crazy. And Egg, her one job in life is to eat the bugs. She's not eating the bugs. She's not a very good hunter. If she was in the wild, she wouldn't survive for longer than like 20 minutes. And she'd be like, please, for the love of God, take me back. She's never been outside though. Really, like the only time she's been outside is to be in like the car to go somewhere, but she's not an outdoor cat. She would never survive the harsh streets. Joel says, dang, I thought doors just stay closed like walls. That is a common misconception, actually. Surprise. Did your parents, like, if you were like standing in front of the TV, I don't know why this was a common thing. We stand in front of the TV and they go, you make a better wall than a window. That feels like such a parent thing. But yeah, also freaking, that's such a like a dad thing. My dad has so many dadisms. But yeah, those freaking bugs are driving me crazy. One might say they're bugging me. But and then I was like gonna like in the morning, I have my little routine. I'm nothing if not nothing. But I have this little routine that I've been liking to get up. I get up for the most time. I slept in today, so my routine works like 40% of the time. Wake up, do a little cleaning, do this, that, and the other, bounce around. But I've been liking opening the window for like half hour, air the house out. Then it smells so good. Then I light a candle. It's so beautiful. Austin's at work. I get the house to myself. It all is zhuzhed up. I'm like, this is self-care. We love it. And I do my chores, cleaning, whatever needs to be done. And then close the window. But it's been so hot here that nope, these are all stories nobody asked for. This is all conversation that you guys are like, please, for the love of God, talk about anything else than the most boring topic you could think of. And I said, no, here's my Windex story. I do have a Windex story. No, it doesn't matter. That's too much. That's too much excitement for this stream. I can't bring out the Windex story right now. I gotta hold back. I'm gonna stream, I think, nobody asked again, but I want to stream on my main, possibly tomorrow. So I gotta get back in the swing of it because I kind of forget. And I haven't streamed since like 3 days ago. You can't. What, Andrew? What can we? Well, I forgot what I told you to look for. What are we finding? Please help. Jade, you said you were holding your breath until I say otherwise. That's a lot of power. You're gonna take that at my advantage. No, Lauren, thank you. Thank you. Dude, I was getting blue in the face. Okay, Andrew, hurtful, mean, crying, sobbing on the floor, pounding my fists in the air on the floor, being big sad. Oh, I hear Austin come back. Okay, we should prank him. Okay, everybody periodically send an emoji of a vegetable, but like randomly sprinkle it throughout. Okay. Anyways, that's when I said to the barkeep, "That's not a penguin. That's my uncle." Hi.
Oh, hey.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
Let me give you your chat.
Thank you.
No problem.
Hello. Alright, we're back. Okay, let's finish up the Evolve UI. Now I kind of want to do... Let's see what we got. I want to do when you heal in battle. You're starting Damnedmon. I want there to be a little Healing particle effect. Let's see, what would that be under? Particle system. Here we go. Let's see if we gotta heal. Okay, we got a little heart. Well, that's not bad. Oh, thank you, Lauren. Thank you, thank you. What else? Heal aura? No, that's that one. Healing effect. Oh. Okay. That one's not bad. I like that one. Let's maybe try that. Have we used it anywhere? Friends viewer. I don't think we have. Okay. Let's try. It's just called healing effect. So if we go into just a new actor, this will be ocean healing particle. And if we drop in particle system, we set that to healing effect. Perfect. Want it to class defaults. Lifespan, let's go 3 seconds. Now in the Damnedmon class, we want to make something we can call it. Here we go. We'll go custom ocean heal particle. Set that to multicast in case we end up doing multiplayer down the line. And we want to spawn the actor. And it is heal potion healing particle. There we go. Mary Alice. That's quite the name. Named Jerry. Can the next NPC be named Gurge, like Greg backwards? Might be able to fit that in. Might be able to fit that in. We gotta find one that fits, though. Okay, I'll give a save. I can't remember how long this one takes to compile. Hopefully not crazy long, but let's see. Okay, 7 seconds. That's good. Okay. So now when we go into our character and we item boost, unique shards, none of those. That's revive. Use potion. So only if it's on this one. In battle bag. So if we go potion and we use it on party member 1. Use potion. And we want to do a check. Or if our Damnedmon is actually spawned or not. So, my Damnedmon. It's not equal empty. If that's true, move that down a little bit. Then potion heal particle. That should hopefully not cause any issues. Does not equal empty. Then spawn that on my Damnedmon. Okay. This should work. Hopefully. We shall see. We'll first test in battle. Or maybe, no, we can actually test outside of battle first. Because I have, currently in the testing stage, one of the Damnedmon has 1 HP, because I wanted to test some stuff out that way. So we can try that way and see if it gives any errors. If it does, this code is not working. But if it doesn't, then it is working. So, we'll get Ego, who has 1 HP. Go into our bag, potion. So that healed 20. And if we close out of this, it doesn't give an error. Okay, perfect. So if we do this again, and we go into battle with Glide Coral, we'll do lower his attack. Hopefully he hits us. It does, perfect. So here, potion on Glide Coral. It does the healing. It does a little too long though. Should change it down to maybe 2 seconds. Because it was already back to Fonby's turn when it was still going. So let's try that again. Go, lowers attack. Okay, that did not hit us. Let's try that again. There we go, okay. Potion. Perfect. Okay, that was perfect timing. And does that work for all potions? It does. Okay, perfect. There we go. Okay. That was pretty easy to implement. Later on, we'll add like a animation for the player when they use a potion on their starter. But for now, that's down the line. And now we can move on to using revives and potions outside of battle UI. So let's see, we got UI. What should we base it on? Probably the evolved. Or yeah, probably the evolved, I guess. Maybe the caught. Okay. So player use potion UI. Kind of want to see what that would look like, because right now it's kind of instant like feedback is the thing. Like I don't know if we need a UI for this one, because if we go potion, if we're hovering over him so we can see it already, and we click and then it heals right away. But should there be a little pop-up at the bottom that says you healed, you know, ego for 20 HP or something like that? So I'm not really sure. We can test out and see kind of what it looks like, but kind of on the fence about that one. Do you like sushi? I do. It is pretty good. For a long time I wasn't, but I got on the sushi train. Okay. So we kind of want to base it on it'll be very similar to, I believe, this code. Yeah, player used potion. Yeah, it should be very similar to this. Hey, Avery, hello, welcome. Never had sushi before. Whoa. Gotta get on that. Okay. Wonder if we just copy this code, if it'll actually work. It might. It honestly might just work if we just copy this. Oh, let's try that. Go into here. This way out. Plug that in. Change this to text. Will this actually work? That is a good question. Yes, we got that set up. Get back into here. see if we go. And use potion outside. Client. Do player use potion. Use potion. Why? Words, and then do, let's say, a 3-second delay, and then we'll remove it from the screen. But we need to do a check here. Sequence. And branch. We want to know if the player's in a battle or not. In battle. If that's true, then it's outside battle. Let's try that out. Okay, let's see if that actually works. I'm not 100% sure it is going to, but I'll give it a try. Google Dinosaur game is making me lose my mind. Oh no. Oh no. I guess that's one of the only games you can play offline these days. Okay, let's see. We'll try that. So, oops, if we bring him in, bag. Okay, that did not work. Why did that not work? Oh, because this, there we go. That would have been a disaster. Okay, let's try that again. They should fix it. Dinosaur Up Cactus. That game does... It goes pretty hard, though, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, let's try try that again. So we go into bag, potion. Wonderful. Okay. So that works. Surprised it actually did. Shift this down. We just need to make sure it works on. I'm gonna use it on any other party member. There we go. That is all hooked up. Ooh. Okay, just about done setting this up. Oops. Okay, I think honestly that might be where I call it there, guys. Thanks everyone for hanging out. And yeah, I am planning on being more consistent with these streams going forward. And I'm booking some time off in a couple weeks, a whole week off, so I'll probably be maybe doing some day-long ones. And yeah, more streams. Yeah, exactly, yeah. That is the goal, not a month in between streams. So, but yeah, thanks so much for watching and letting me catch you guys up on what's been happening over the past little bit. And yeah, day-long stream, yeah, exactly. Working full-time on it. So yeah, you guys all have a good one. And yeah, catch you next week. See you later.